In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to edit text in a video using Canva step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Canva makes video text editing incredibly simple, whether you want to change fonts, colors, animations, alignment, or advanced text effects. This is perfect for social media videos, YouTube content, ads, or presentations. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to canva.com. Once you're on the Canva homepage, log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one for free in just a few minutes. After logging in, you'll land on the Canva home screen where all your designs are accessible. From here, you can either open an existing video project or create a brand new video design. If you already have a video you want to edit, simply click on it from your recent designs. If you're starting fresh, click on the Create a Design button and choose Video from the options. Once your video opens in the Canva editor, you'll see the timeline at the bottom and the design canvas in the center. Now, to edit text in your video, click directly on any text element that's already on the screen. As soon as you click the text, Canva will activate the text editing toolbar at the top. This toolbar is where all the magic happens. To change the font, click on the font drop-down and browse through Canva's font library. You can scroll through, preview different fonts in real time, and select the one that best fits your video style. Next, to adjust the font size, click on the font size option and either choose a preset size or manually type in the exact size you want. This is great for making text more readable or more subtle, depending on your video. You can also customize the text appearance by changing the color, making the text bold or italic, underlining it, or adjusting letter spacing and line height. All of these options help your text stand out and look more professional. After that, you can control how the text is aligned. Use the alignment options to align text to the left, center, or right. You can also turn your text into bullet points or lists if your video includes instructions or key points. This is especially useful for educational or tutorial videos. Now, for more advanced text options, click on the Additional Settings or Effects option in the toolbar. Here, you can apply text effects, shadows, background highlights, or even animate the text. Canva offers built-in text animations that make your text appear, fade, slide, or pop onto the screen, which is perfect for engaging video content. Next, click on the Position option. This allows you to precisely place your text on the screen. You can align the text to the top, middle, bottom, or center of the page with just one click. You can also layer text in front of or behind other elements in your video. Finally, explore the Advanced section for even more fine-tuned controls. This includes spacing, transparency, and animation timing, giving you full control over how your text looks and behaves throughout the video. Once you're happy with your edits, your text changes are automatically saved in Canva. And that's it. You now know how to easily edit text in a video using Canva. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tutorials and software how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.